Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Dekho Amar Bangladesh. Hope you're gonna like our new video. This is season 1, episode 4 on Ilish and Dopeyaja. We are gonna show all the cooking process step by step. So let's continue with this video. So this is a very simple traditional food. So we got our Ilish mat. This is the traditional fish of Bangladesh and the national fish. So it's marinated with ginger powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, and with red chili powder. And we got onion chopped up and some green chilies and some other spices. So let's continue. We're adding the cooking vessel right now. We are gonna add the mustard oil. This video is not sponsored by anyone though. Hey, oil bro. We're adding around 250 ml of mustard oil. So we are gonna wait for the oil to be on the right temperature. Right now we are gonna add the Hilsa fish. Right now the fish is halfway done, so we are gonna take this out from the oil. Okay, right now all the fish is done. We have left the oil from that frying, so we are gonna add onions right now. Onions and green chilies. One spoon of red chili powder. 1 spoon of garlic powder. Sorry, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Right now it's done sizzling, so we are gonna add some water. Now we are gonna add the fish. Where's the fish? Sorry. So we are gonna add for more 5 minutes and it's gonna be done. It's done, so we are gonna show you it's done. So let's remove this. Finally we are done with our fourth video, and sorry for being late because one of our members grandmom was sick, so he needs to be over there. So we are very short in members, so without one member it was very hard to do the video. So hope so you like that video. আর আজকে আমরা বাড়িওয়ালার ছাদ থেকে লেবু চুরি করতে পারি না, and we have to bought our own lemon because তার কাছে কোনো লেবু নেই at this moment. তিনি সবগুলা পেরে নিয়ে চলে গিয়েছে because we were doing theft on his roof. So hope so you like this video. Let's add our bottle. We bought the lemon, so let's add that lemon. Bro, hey producer, can you buy us a chopping board? কিনে দিবা না তুমি chopping board? হ্যাঁ দুইটাই না। So done.